Nanas, Nia, where are you?
In the toy room.
Where?
In the box.
Where are you? Show me. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello, Bobby. Say hello. Here's the toy room. What are you doing?
Hiding from you.
Hiding from me. I couldn't find you. Look at your toy room. It's a mess. You better clean it up today. Hey?
Yes.
And there's our book corner.
Yeah. See there. Yeah.
Nothing like the good old book. Love yous.
Oh yeah.
You want to sing me a song?
Yes.
What about Twinkle Twinkle? Come on, Bubs.
Yes.
Sing me Twinkle Twinkle.
No.
Yes.
No.
Hurry up, sing Mummy's song. Oh, close your legs, please.
Okay.
Hurry up, sing Mummy's song.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, like a diamond in the sky. Up the roof, to fly high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yay!